Hi guys, yeah, it's Wong J Music, and I'm glad to announce the very big good news. Yeah, I'm glad to announce that my beginner's course is going to be out first week of January, and the theme is Beginner's Guide to Understanding the Piano, and it comprises of a lot. How you know a little dive into music theory, how chords are formed, how you can play all keys, how you can score, approach a song, how you can find keys by ear. It's a whole lot of package. You shouldn't afford to skip this one. Yeah, and I'm going to be doing. Its course is actually going for 30k, but I'm going to be doing a discount on this course now, 30k naira, not dollars. Before I'm going to be doing a discount, 50% discount. Course is going to be dropping first week of January. I'm going to be doing a 50% discount. That means it's 15,000 naira, 1,000 naira. That cheap. So for those that are going to pay through dollars, it's over $9-10 thereabouts. Yeah. So this is actually my little way of saying thank you all my subscribers and followers on Instagram, on YouTube especially my YouTube guys. God bless you guys. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for sharing, for commenting, and for following. It's really been an amazing journey so far, and I really appreciate it, and I'll be so glad to be a tutor. So make sure you don't skip this one. It's so cheap, and it's the discount is going to be ending. Discount is going to be ending in the month of January. So make sure, that's what I'm telling you, I'm saying now, so that you get it now. You get your money now, sorry. So first week of January, immediately it gets out, you can, link will be out, you can make payments and you get access to the files. So stay tuned. It's really going to be massive. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you all. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. God bless you guys. So let's get right into the lesson for today. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Crazy Gospel Passing Chords, and this is episode 5. If you have not been following this episode from the beginning, please go back. A lot of things, did a lot of stuff right there, and I'd advise you go back and check those videos out. So real quick, I want us to look at thinking of let's look at it. Let's look at this. No, we've done this, we've done this. So let's come back, let's do C. So I'm going to teach us a 6-2-5-1 progression, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, right? What is your 6? 6 2 5 1, known as the circle of 4 to circle of 5, anyone want to call it. And most times you hear some of us just play. Most times, no. I want to teach us better ways we can approach this particular voicing. Yes. So I'm going to just show one in this class, in this episode, and I'll show the next one will be in the next episode. Yeah. So you have your 6 rootless voicings. For those of you that have watched, I think it's episode 4 or episode 3 rather. You know this chord now. So So 6 2 5 1. Yeah. So now let's break this down. 6, you have this chord. You can just, first chord is G on your left hand, G, B, C, and E. Second one is you slow from B flat to B, G, B, and D. So you slot from B flat to B. So next one, your 2, you play this. So you have F sharp, A, B, and E, and on your left hand you just have A and C. So you can do. Woo! Yes. So next chord you have this. Left hand you have B, F. What am I saying? F, A, B flat, and D. Right hand you have F, A, and D. So on your 1 now you have C dominant 7, C, G, and B flat on your left hand. On your right hand you have E, A, and G. So next chord, instead of your 4 you do. So left hand you have F and E. Right hand you have A, E, and A. So let's try it. So you can still do. So songs like never would have made it, never would have made it without you. You can see that. So you are worthy to be glorified. You are worthy to. So now what I'm just doing is just 5, 1, 4, cutting out this. Yes. So if you want, you can. You are worthy to. 1, 2. You are worthy to be glorified. You are. So basically that's everything. So let's try it again. So that's it. Thank you guys. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. We're going to be coming up with this series for, it's going to be going in for long. And if you know that this series has been of great help to you, please drop a comment, and it inspires we creators to know that okay, yeah, you guys are benefiting from everything we are you're posting and all that. So that's it. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, make sure you drop a comment, make sure you like, make sure. God bless you guys. Cheers.